Okay, so accessing the web app. All right, so the Muxall Pro BBQ Controller can be controlled from the front panel or web app. And you can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or your favorite web browser. Okay, so to access the web app, you first have to get the IP address of the controller. Okay, and it can be found in the front panel on the config screen. And if you look at the video Wi-Fi config and IP address, it will show you exactly how to get this IP address. And if you watch the video, you'll know that our IP address is 192.168.1.150. Okay, and it tells you to put that in the address bar. Well, actually, the manual says right here. So you can go to the config tab, and then you push the knob to get to the menu right here, and then you can scroll down to config, go into the config by pushing the knob or hitting enter, and you can see the IP address, and you just put that right up here in the address bar, hit enter or go, and there's a web app. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so username and password defaults. All right, so the default username and password is Muxall. And so you can see the username's grayed out. You can't change it. The password is also Muxall. It's the exact same as this. So if you forget what the password is, it's Muxall. And it's right there. Firefox has saved the password. That's why it's already preloaded in. And so you just click on login. Okay. And looking at the manual here, it says your browser may display a warning about an unsecure website. And you can kind of see right here, it says that this website is not, I'm looking right here, it says that this connection is not secure, and that's okay because it's just local to your home's Wi-Fi, right? So you just say okay and continue on. And as you'll notice, I just finished another video, and you can see the controller is still running. That's okay. You can access this. You can kill this, and you can just X out of that and fire this up and your phone. You can log in multiple devices to this. It doesn't matter while it's running or not running. Okay. So, okay, let's scroll down. Okay, so the last thing on the accessing the web app is the add tab button right here. So the add tab button pulls up the web app controller menu, and we'll click on that. You can see you can get to the graph config and update tab. Okay, and it says right here, and so the graph tab is a historical graphing, config is for network configs and stuff. We can look at all this, but there's going to be other videos that talks in depth all these tabs, so I'm not going to do it here. I just wanted to show you how to get to it. That's using the add tab button. All right. And the last thing in the accessing the web app is the help button. And the help button just pulls up the the latest version of the barbecue manual. Okay, so you don't have to go hunting around for it. It just gets it from the Muxall cloud and just displays it right on the device you're using. Excellent, huh? And that's it. Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store.